crew also. You speak English? Yeah, because my English expired already. So see you next time. If my English already renew. Okay? I don't have any updated valid ID. I don't have graduation. Bisaya, nadimunyo ko sa magikan.
Ay, di apay kagayang di oro!
Ay, kagayang di oro! Sabi kasi nila, ang mga Bisaya, mga giatay. Parang si Mami Junisha. You know you like a ring before you ring. Ngayon, para sa'yo, ang laban na to. Isa-isahin natin yung request. Any song from Bon Jovi, tapos may pagkang Love Village Jubak. So, doon muna tayo sa Love Village Jubak. Mas pataas si Madam Big. Steve, are you okay? Your brain already, you know? Because my brain also is sick, you know? My brain is sick. I want more energy drink. More drink, please. One bottle of Sunlight Light and thank you. Love Village Jubak. Madam, kantahin namin tong Love Village Jubak mo, ha? Tapos, ikaw na bahala sa kanila. Kasi wala ka naman talagang binigay, di ba? Rolling in the Deep? Puto, nag-request pa. Ginawang 500 isa. Kala ko okay na eh. Kanyang buhay to. Kala ko safe na. Huwag pa yung bumaba. Mungkunoy talaga yung gitarista namin. Kasi po taga Marawi po yan. Yan yung mukha, gerap-gerap. Nasa bunga ng bomba. Patay! Love Village Jubak, pasok, Chick Brooks. Hindi akong ganong kamera.